Gourmet is a full-service DSD distributor of frozen and refrigerated products.
We're based out of Redding, California, and doing business in California, nothing's cheap, including the cost of power. We felt the need to find a solution to our high power bills, and we feel like we found that with Viking Cold Solutions. We chose Viking Cold Solutions for a few different reasons. First, the technology was very easy to understand. Secondly, it was presented to us in a very professional way. Third, the payoff of the initial investment was very low. And lastly, the system would provide us with 24/7 monitoring of our entire Cold Solutions facility. Prior to installation, Viking did extensive testing on our facility, along with analyzing our power bills to give us our expected rate of savings. The installation process was great. We met multiple times with the Viking Cold representatives prior to them arriving at our facility. They told us what they were going to do, and they executed it. We had zero downtime, and they finished exactly when they said they would. Our Viking Cold representative worked directly with REU, which is our local public utility district. They really did everything for us. They handled it from the beginning to the end. They really put all the legwork in, and we were awarded the incentive that we thought we were going to get all along. Since installation, we've seen a 24% decrease in our overall power bill. This month, we are expecting a 30% decrease. Temperature consistency throughout the entire cold chain process was very important to us. We worked diligently with our Viking representatives to make sure that we were getting the desired temperature that we wanted. Also, a major benefit of the system is the 24/7 monitoring of our entire cold storage facility. More than once, the system has alerted us to potential mechanical issues before they have arisen. This has allowed us to fix those problems prior to our entire system failing. We would definitely recommend Viking Cold to any other business that is looking to reduce their cost in their cold storage facility. We feel like we got exactly what we were looking for and more.